Oh. Unfortunately. Okay guys, so as you can see by the title of this, something big is happening. We're pulling out all the stops. I'm being a little bit impulsive as I usually am. And I've decided that I'm getting a tattoo because we were skating and we saw we saw this tattoo place by our place, and I was like, well, that's basically a sign that I need to get one now. So that's what we're doing today because we don't really know what to do.
It's like, I needed a new video idea, so I was like, let's just
I was really running out of ideas, so then I was like, well, I guess I'm gonna have to permanently ink my body.
I'm kind of scared, but whatever, it'll be fine. Okay, well, as we skate to the tattoo shop. Okay, dude, we're off. Guys, I'm tweaking out. I'm actually really scared about this, psyching myself out a little bit, but you know what? That is a-okay.
I've never seen you clearer than now.
We're here already. Hey guys, so we are already here at the tattoo place. Excited for you. I know I'm talking a lot about it, but you'll see the design and stuff after. Talk about it after, probably, like the meaning and whatever. But pre-tattoo jitters, we're at this place we found on Yelp that's literally like right by our house. How's walk-ins?
We always joke about this place though, but it's actually like, it's a 5-star rating on Yelp.
Yeah, so let's go get tatted.
Floating somewhere up in the clouds. Going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. 'Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning.
I love butterflies.
So take me on a trip.
You got this, Melanie.
So how long are you guys out here from Texas?
Yeah, okay, yeah, you're right. I wish you had a done. Just one day. I told you it doesn't take long. You're thinking, oh, it's not like bad against it. I didn't know if anybody else was going
Maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it.
Is this your first tattoo? Yeah. Where are you getting it? If you're getting it on your ankle, it's gonna hurt like so bad. The second time I got my ankle tattooed because I shit myself the first time.
No way.
I'm totally joking.
Oh. I would have believed
I did
that.
that just simply to fuck with you for my entertainment entirely.
Hey, dude, Melanie, but remember, have higher expectations, like with the testing.
No, you know what? Like you're gonna be getting tattooed for a few minutes. You're gonna be good.
song. I was like, what?
Oh,
Well, as long
wow.
as you sit still.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got it.
Does that mean I can punch you in the face when you're done?
Oh, for sure.
Nice. I've always wanted to punch somebody that weighs a third of my body weight in the face. You know, like it's been a dream, especially a female. Yeah.
That's an interesting dream.
Bonus points if female.
I always wanted to punch someone in the face too.
I always dreamed of.
No. Do I look like I get in a fight?
You look like a full-on fighter.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Dude, it's because of all the bulking with the soy nut butter.
You're gonna like have 2 guns,
Oh.
and then you're gonna have like a missile launcher that comes out of your bun.
Oh, okay.
One.
Dude, we were close.
We were guessing your guys' name actually as we walked across from the ATM.
Yeah.
You were guessing our names?
Yeah.
What do you think- what do you
Max.
think my name was? Max? Ooh, that's way better than Max. Max or
Matt.
Matt? Oh, that's almost as boring as my real name.
Oh,
Thanks a lot.
no. Your tattoo was one. You're the one who left us.
Shining so bright. All these empty faces.
Sick.
We don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves. Can you feel it?
Oh my gosh.
I know we're acting stupid. Maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we don't. It's the only way we know how to do it. I feel so young.
Guys, look at that. Thank you, Juana.
Yes, legend.
He's super chill also.
Whoa, dude, that is so sick. It's
Yeah.
not in my. There you go. It's in focus now.
Oh,
Wow.
I love it. I love it a lot.
Let's see
This
it.
was a 10, 11 out of 10 experience, to be honest.
Yeah.
Awesome.
I love it.
So,
Dude, that is
your dad
so cute.
Very soapy. You're gonna pat your tattoo like this.
Okay, guys.
It's just
I just got it.
Yeah.
They're all band-aided up, but I will show you later. Whole day activity. We're gonna go skate home now. Hey guys, so we just skated back and I'm just gonna show you guys my tat. This random place, it was a pretty spontaneous activity. I'm so happy with how my tattoos came out. Honestly, the pain was not that bad. And I just want to show you them because I'm so excited and explain the meaning. And then I'm also gonna call my mom and tell her. I really don't know how she's gonna react. I hope she's not mad at me. I really hope she's not. It's really weird too because I already called her today and talked to her. So I don't want to, you know, call her again and be like, hey, but we'll see. So first off, right here on my wrist, I always joke about this one with my friends and most of them say it's stupid, but you know what? Now I did it and I love it so much. But Vanessa just laughed. She laughed from the toilet. This one right here. Okay, might not be the best angle. I'll insert clips. This one right here is like a little, what's it called? Like a smiley face with the little comma. Little tear eye. Be positive, life is good. If you like cry or even if things go bad, overall, life is good, be happy. Basically, that's the meaning of this. Don't worry, don't stress. And this one right here, I got on my ankle, just like a little butterfly. And this one, the little cartoon draw-in, it basically symbolizes growth and freedom and whatnot. Love it. They both make me so happy. That's pretty much it. But like, let's call my mom right now and see what she thinks. Hopefully she picks up is what I am hoping right now. All right, guys, I am calling me Maud right now.
I'm here for moral support.
I think she'll be like, that's cute, Melanie. I'm hoping she says that. Whatchamacallit. Hi, you're not mom. Hi. Do you want to get mom and dad in the video too?
Yeah, I was playing with Russell.
Oh, hey Russell. Can't recognize me. I have some big news.
You have big news?
Kinda. Yeah, so gather the family.
Where's father? Oh, father's not home.
Oh, okay, it can be you and mom.
Okay, mom.
Come, I want to see both of your lovely faces. So, Vanessa and I went skating today. And we saw this little shop, and so we decided to go in. I ended up getting a tattoo, and I wanted to show you.
Okay, show me.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
So I got this one. It's my mole, and I turned it into a smiley face. I think I told both of you about this.
No.
Oh, I told you about, like, my idea, didn't I?
Uh-huh. Okay. No,
And-
I never heard about it before.
No, I think I told you.
Okay, go on.
And then this one.
You think you tell us a lot of things, but...
Hey, this one's a little butterfly.
Wait, okay. What's the little shop called?
Like mechanical tattoo shop or something like that.
Not like something you got off the internet that looks like a real tattoo. It's real.
Oh no, it's real. You can look it up. What do you think?
Like,
I have to be careful because I know that you tried to trick Vanessa's mom before. When you guys
Did you hear that? No, I swear, it's real, I promise. You guys think it's fake right now?
No, hers is real. Show the video.
Like, yeah, it's like bandaged up. Like, I wouldn't do that for like, to prank you.
Oh, okay, so you turned it into a happy face and a butterfly.
Yeah, what do you think?
Well, they're cute because they're like not all over yourself.
Yeah, and they have meaning.
what's the meaning? Please share.
So the butterfly one symbolizes growth. The smiley face one, it has a little tear. So it's like smile through like tough times. And in the end, everything is good. Life is good.
You don't get an infection again. What I should say is, oh no, take that off your body. How are you gonna do that? You can't do anything.
Good reaction, because I'm filming you too, so say hi.
What? Oh, I didn't know that. No.
I can't tell if you're acting. Yeah, Russell, what do you think? I'm gonna end off my video, so say bye to them.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so as you saw, my mom didn't put on much of a show, but she was pretty chill about it, so I'm glad. Thank you guys for coming along. Yeah, don't be sad you get a tattoo. That's the end of the story, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Love you. Oh my gosh, I rolled over my... I feel like tattoos are like piercings. They're kind of like a hobby. Like a hobby?
Oh, I don't know what we're doing today. Let's get a tattoo.
It's like
Yeah.
going to Korean barbecue.
Oh yeah, totally comparable. Oh. Don't mind me.
cutting in and out. Too many people on the internet.
We're gonna have to pause that because this is important.
I turned it on.
I know it's getting